Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will study about centrosome. Centrosome is one of the important cell organelle which is only found in the animal cell. So in the previous video, we talked about the plastids that are a part of plant cell. Here we are talking about one cell organelle that is only present in the animal cell. Now we will talk about its location. Where is it actually there? Suppose this is an example of animal cell and this is the nucleus in the center of the cell. Now close to the nucleus here, this organelle is known as centrosome. This centrosome, if I make the zoomed view of this centrosome here, then each centrosome on its inner side contains two centrioles. So these are the centrioles and this outer structure is the centrosome. So centrosome can be defined as an organelle that is found close to the nucleus in an animal cell. Each centrosome consists of two centrioles. Now we will talk about its function, right? You know, cell divides over a period of time. And this we have read in cell theory that new cells are always formed from the pre-existing cells. So, suppose this is the cell and this is the centrosome which on its inner side contains centrioles. Now, cell division, whenever it occurs in the nucleus of the cell. Here, the black colored structure is the nucleus. Now, whenever nucleus divides, right, at that point of time, what happens? The two centrioles, they move at the opposite pole. Here you can see that one has been made at the north pole and another has been made at the south pole. Now, these will be extending some fibers out of it. Centriole will make some protein fibers with it and these protein fibers will hold the chromosome. Okay, in the image, these black structures which I am drawing right now, these are the chromosomes and they are being holded by special fibers which are known as spindle fibers, right? So chromosomes are being held by the fibers called spindle fibers which are being produced from the centrioles. So centrioles, they basically help in the cell division, right? So we have studied centrosomes are an example of the cell organelle only present in the animal cell. In the case of plant cell, in place of centrosome, polar body. If we are talking about singular, it would be polar body. If we are talking about plural, it would be polar bodies. Okay. So centrosome consists of centrosome. It helps in the cell division. Whereas in the plant cell, polar body, they help in the cell division. Right. So the question for this video is that what is the function of centrosome? If you have seen the video carefully, the function was already being told by me. Come up with the answer in the comment section of this video. Whether it would be correct or it would be wrong, your name will definitely come in the upcoming video. If your answer would be wrong, then the correct answer will also be given. Stay tuned for more videos related to this chapter and do share my video with your friends so that everybody can avail the benefit. See you in next one. Thank you.